Are you looking for quick and simple activities that require no prep or cleanup? Well then, check out our new Wikki Stix Uppercase Letters activity mats. I personally love Wikki Stix because they are so versatile, and I find that they are perfect for tactile learners. Kids love them because it's fun and relaxing. Parents love them because it's non-toxic and perfect for children with allergies. Elementary teachers love it because it develops fine motor skills and stimulates creativity. With this resource, younger children can build their knowledge of letter recognition, sounds, and formations. Feel free to print, laminate, and add these Wikki Stix activity mats to your literacy learning center. That way, children can work on alphabet knowledge skills independently. They are also perfect as an activity for literacy small groups, an extension lesson on the alphabet, or as a brain break activity. If you enjoyed this activity, Twinkl has numerous activity mats that involve Wikki Stix. Head to twinkl.com for more.